In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then scroll down, find and select about phone, and here you need to open software information. Now locate build number, it's right here, and click on it 7 times. It will allow you to unlock developer mode, so let's go back now. And from now on you will be able to find developer options at the bottom of settings list. Smoothly click to open, and now locate demo mode, so click, and now you can smoothly turn it on by using this switcher, and then whenever you would like to make it visible as well, just use the second one. And this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can activate demo mode. Whenever you would like to switch it off, just unmark this first switcher. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.